Hello! Woo-wee! Have we got a good one for you today. You see, Amazon, they're trying to stick their hands in every technology category known to man. Heck, they're even creating their own categories. But this is their first attempt at truly wireless earbuds. And I gotta be honest, guys, I'm very pleasantly surprised with these. In my opinion, these are worth so much more than the $130 that Amazon is selling them for. So if you want to know why these are a top contender for my favorite truly wireless earbuds in 2019, then you need to stick around. These are the Amazon Echo truly wireless earbuds. So as I said earlier, I've had these for about 24 hours, so I got a good understanding as to what it packs and what it lacks. But first, let's see what you get in the box. So this is the retail packaging of the Echo Buds. Of course, we have some branding right there, immersive sound, and Alexa on the go. Of course, made by Amazon. And this right here, people, is Bose's active noise reduction. That's right, this has Bose's signature active noise reduction. And let me tell you, it's a good one. So of course, what you get in the box, you get the Echo Buds, you get a charging case, you get 3 sizes of ear tips, 3 sizes of wing tips, and a micro USB cable. Now what you need is you need an iOS device or Android device with the Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. And of course, they need to connect via Bluetooth. On the back here, we got a picture of the case, we got a picture of the buds right there. Earbuds with premium sound, listen to dynamic, clear audio, and limit background noise with Bose's active noise reduction technology. Get up to about 5 hours of music playback per charge and up to 20 hours with the charging case. Of course, this has voice control with Alexa always ready to help you play music, identify a musician, hear a podcast, make sure to check out my podcast, or listen to an audiobook, all just using your voice. We got hands-free with Alexa, plus access to other assistants. Just ask to set a reminder, check your calendar, make a call, or find a coffee shop. Or you can simply press and hold your earbud to use Siri or Google Assistant on supported devices. This is a huge bonus that Amazon put on these Echo Buds, because they could have just kept it with Alexa, but they decided to keep it open and friendly. So I'm going to give a huge shout out, a huge kudos to Amazon for doing that. And on the other side of the box, it says Bluetooth and sweat resistant earbuds. So these will be fine if you take them out in the rain, if you're taking a jog, if you're sweating a lot. These sweat resistant earbuds, they will keep everything intact. You don't have to worry about them getting slightly wet or sweating. Don't worry about that. You will not get shocked and you will not destroy your earbuds. So let's check out the insides. So when you open the package, it says Echo Buds right there. And then right here is where you would have your case with your earbuds. Here we have our charging cable, which is USB-A to micro USB. In this package is where we'll have our ear tips. And in this package is where we'll have our ear hooks. Here we have some basic instructions. Of course, you need to download the Alexa app and you set these up using the Alexa app. Here's how to customize your fit with the wing tips fitting your earbuds, making sure it's the perfect size for your ears. It talks about the default touch gesture settings right here. And on the back, it talks about how you can customize those gestures. They give you a list of a few things that you can try. And here's some important information that nobody ever reads. Here we have the Amazon Echo Buds. These things, they have my heart. And I don't say that lightly. I've tested out quite a few truly wireless earbuds this year. But as of right now, November 2019, these things, they might just take the top spot of the year. They're that great, people. $130 and you get such an amazing deal. You know, on this channel, we always try to find the best deals, trying to get the most bang out of your buck. And these, if you're looking for a truly wireless earbuds, if you're looking for a gift to give somebody, whether for Christmas, for birthday, whatever the situation is, you can't go wrong with these. I promise you, you cannot go wrong with these. So let me show you why. So of course, this case right here is a clamshell case. You open it up and you have access to your buds, but then you close it and it charges. Now it is not magnetic right here, so it does not forcibly stay closed. There's a hinge in the back right here of the case, but I don't know. to me it's kind of satisfying. Another thing that's really satisfying is, y'all know I love my magnets, especially when it comes to these truly wireless earbuds. And this is the reason why. You know, sometimes your case is left open and they go upside down. But instead of them falling out, guess what? They're still there in all their glory. So here's a close-up look at the Earbuds. I have the medium ear tips on. They stay in my ear with ease. I don't need the wingtips. They just go in there. Now, of course, these are a little bit bigger than my Samsung Galaxy Buds, but they don't stick out that much further. Definitely not as much as the Bose or the Jabras. Plus, I haven't had an issue with ear fatigue while using these. So if you look at the inside of them, we have a proximity sensor right there. So when they're inside of your ear, your music is playing, your videos are playing. But if you take them out, either one, left or right, it'll pause whatever you're watching or whatever you're listening to. And on the other side, you know, I didn't know this until I actually received them, but this is not a tactile button. It's actually a touch sensitive button, just like my Samsung Galaxy Buds. So as you can see, these are small, but you're probably asking, well, what about sound quality? What can these little things, what can they pump out? Well, you're not gonna get power beats bass, but you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. The sound signature on these are excellent. And then in the app, you can adjust the EQ a little bit, but for the everyday user, these are gonna sound excellent. Not only that, but with the Bose active noise reduction, you're gonna drown out the entire world, people. I mean, I had my girls yelling at me for testing purposes only, and I couldn't hear a darn thing. And they were like next to me. I mean, it's amazing. Not only that, but they have a pass-through feature. So if you want to keep this in your ears, but you still want to hear your surroundings, man, some of these truly wireless earbuds that I've tested, whenever they have these pass-through features, I mean, they sound really robotic. But not in this case. These sound excellent. And actually, I've been smiling ever since I've been using these. Another thing that really surprised me is their call quality. I mean, these things are excellent, especially for their size. I mean, these things have 3 microphones in each earbud. So they do an excellent job not only in blocking out the outside noise when you're talking on a phone call, but also it amplifies your voice so the person that you're speaking to can hear you much clearer. And no surprise to me, but audio comes out of the left and the right channel when you're making phone calls. So you're probably wondering, yeah, you've said all these great things about these Earbuds, but what about the downsides? What are the things that really aren't that great? And actually, I've been thinking about this over the past 24 hours. I've tried to find something that really stands out to me. And the only thing that I've found is every now and again when I watch a video on YouTube, I was watching an unbox video from Unbox Therapy, of course. And when they switched from camera A to a side camera or a separate camera, the mouthing and the audio was a little off, but on the main camera, it was fine. So I don't know if that was their recording or if that was affecting these earbuds. I really don't know. But that's really the only thing that I've really experienced that may be an issue. But other than that, these things, like I said earlier, time and time again, they have pleasantly surprised me. And honestly, guys, they've blown me away. So really, I don't know what else to say other than pick these up, people. Pick these up right now. Use my link in the description. Or if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Leave a comment down below and I'll respond to you because, man, I am so impressed with these. So other companies, they need to take notice, and I definitely think that they're going to. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the Amazon Earbuds, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram @Handsome Gadgets. Thank you and have a good one.